spent together lives within my heart. And when she was sad, I was there to dry her tears. And once she was happy, so was I. When she loved me. Through the summer and the fall, we had each other then. Was all just she and I together.
How are you?
Like it was meant to be.